Youth Initiative. I want to sincerely appreciate it for this particular gathering, and also wanted to look into the situation that is calling for the protest. As we speak right now, like the two speakers have said, it's obvious that hunger and anger are not friends. When you are hungry and you are also angry, it's a very serious challenge. Simply, some of the youth you see today does not have a job. The federal government have opportunity of giving jobs to these young boys that are on the street. When was the last time that the federal government of Nigeria declared embargo on employment situation? When was the last time NNPC did employment? When was the last time CPN did employment and people applied and successfully got their jobs? When was the last time these people get their jobs? Youth are not being employed, youth are not being empowered. There is no opportunity for even independent youth to succeed. The youth are crying of hunger. If you go to the street, people are suffering. I am suffering. Everybody is suffering. Our action or the reason for this protest, is it genuine? The answer is yes. But then, what is the outcome? What do we expect? Like some speakers have said, that we actually have to ensure that the other people that are planning to protest against the protesters are the problem. The problem here is actually not those planning to protest, because those persons planning to protest actually have a genuine intention to call the attention of the federal government to the hard situation that is going on. Even with the threat of the protest, the federal government is increasing pump price. Right now, 1,000, right now, 900. And we are saying we want to protest. And you say we shouldn't protest, but you are not making life easier for us. How then do we stop the protest? I think my appeal, sir, the federal government of Nigeria, because hunger and anger are also a threat to insecurity. So if we have the opportunity, my submission, sir, is that if you can help and talk to the IG, to talk to the president, that from now till the day of the protest, declare embargo for job opportunities in NNPC and every sectors. Then you get jobs. If people get jobs, they will be able to feed themselves and they also feed the families. I have responsibility. When was the last time I was supposed to take care of my responsibility? It's unfortunate that as we speak, things are hard. And people also don't want to understand that things are hard. So before I hand over the microphone, sir, I want to sincerely say that you have the opportunity to talk to the IG. Let them know that Rivers youth are actually requesting that the federal government has a lot to do. There is a solution to this protest. This protest is not a situation that does not have a solution. There is a solution. The solution is the demand of the people. What is the demand of the people? Look into the demand of the people and then confirm that yes, progress from 200 naira to 900 naira is too much, sir. Now we cannot buy pepper. 1,500 naira cannot cook one pot of soup. You cannot cook a pot of soup with 5,000 naira. It is so difficult for us. It is hard on us. The federal government must give us attention. And also that we are suffering. So this is just the reason why boys are angry. I am part of those that are angry because I can't feed myself again. I can't even take the responsibility that I have. So why would I be angry? The federal government have opportunity to rescue this situation, but they want to threaten us to go to protest. Meanwhile, the solution to the problem lies on their table, and they are not handling the solution. It is sad, sir. Please, my humble submission. I'm sorry if I spoke very much.